Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay Pryor. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I made a suit. So as you guys can see, I'm just starting off with a sketch. Then I'll show you guys the rest of the process throughout the video. And make sure you stay tuned for the finished look. This is the final sketch. In the next clip, I'll be showing you guys the material that I cut my flowers from. In this clip here, I'm just cutting all of the pattern pieces out and getting them prepared for sewing. Once everything's been cut out, I begin to sew them, and you guys will see how everything forms together within the next few pictures and clips. This is a small clip of the blazer once it's been completed. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.